Hey, Saucepreneurs and fellow high levelers, welcome to day 6 of our 30-day high level mastery, where we look at one simple implementation advice that you can go and implement in your business straight away. So, today I want to talk about one thing. A lot of people in the high level world, I don't know if you notice, I notice they have the sense of entitlement. Oh, I've got access to Go High Level. Why wouldn't you buy from me? Like, this is a great software. Why aren't you buying? So, they always feel it's a software. That's the selling point. It's obviously it's a powerful toolkit. There's no doubt about it. But what makes it even more powerful is your strategy, your knowledge, your skill set that you bring to the table. The tool itself, I mean, so many people, hundreds of thousands of people, tens of thousands of people are selling that software. Why should they choose you over your competitors? So that's the point that you need to really validate and find your USP. So I want you to think like this, right? You get into a room filled with hundreds of people of high level, literally what we had at the Sydney Summit, right? Everyone has access to that software. Everyone has access to that tool, which means, do you think people are not buying from each other? They do, because each and everyone brings a specific skill set to the table. And another agency might not have that skill set. So collaboration over competition, we've already looked at that. So today I want to emphasize this one thing, which is strategy is always ranked higher than the software. That's what I want you to understand. Strategy is always ranked higher than the software. What is your skill set? What is your strategy? What is your knowledge that you bring to the table? That's what makes the software powerful. If it's just the software, they can directly go to high level and buy it. They can directly go to the support and take it. But why do they choose you as an agency owner and sign up under your agency or sign up using your affiliate? Is because there's something that you bring as value add to that particular business. In my case, because I've got an offshore team to implement, that is my USP. Okay. And I help migrant women to become financially independent. So that's a very specific USP, and some people want to support that. So it's the strategic advice that I bring to the table, and I take that responsibility for Australian businesses. There's an Australian actual business owner registered in Australia that has an offshore team. Otherwise, people would be very skeptical to work with an offshore team, right? So these are my kind of USPs, where it's a completely done for you kind of implementation. I'm not a big agency; it's a boutique agency. We take care of them, and every stage of the journey, we handhold them, we do stuff for them. So that particular implementation, the strategic advice and strategic implementation, obviously ranks higher than the software itself. So today, I want you to think, what is your USP? What is your unique selling proposition? If there's going to be 100 people in the room selling high level, how can you still stand out and sell to high levelers? That's what we're doing, right? So I want you to find that particular unique selling proposition for you. And that would be your key authority or brand positioning message, right? I want you to write down your brand positioning message, because that's what we're going to really, really frame. We are going to refine over the next few days. All right. So let me know in the comments or reach out to me, and I can validate it for you if that is a really strong USP. Because most businesses say, oh, I care about my clients. I can pick up the phone and talk to clients, which is like the basic expectation when someone pays you. So something tangible, something measurable that people can actually see, feel, measure, that would be a really, really good outcome in terms of, your positioning, your USP. So let me know what's your USP. I'm excited to know. All right. I'll see you all tomorrow.